found myself today just trying to see this part of Westlands on along Waiyaki Way, I think so. Hello, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching. Totally appreciate. So today I'm at Westlands. I want to walk through this area and hope you will enjoy the video. This is going to be a walking tour from Westlands to the city center. So I am on Waiyaki Way heading to the city center, and where I am right now is a place where I can see this tallest building called GTC. This building also got another tower for residential next to it, as you can see from ahead. And I'm just going to walk on this area, and you will be able to see more about it ahead. It's located just right opposite Chiromo, so you'll see right ahead when I get there. This trade center is next to Kempinski, the famous I think luxurious hotel called Kempinski. Next to it, on the same area, so this is the Chiromo area I was talking about, which is right opposite GTC. I'm just at that exact place. This building is Kempinski. From there, I went straight from this place. Now I'm going to go straight to the city center. The road that you see on the left is going to Thika, and I'm going to cross into the one which goes to the city center right on my right. So I am on the road that is heading to the city center. After crossing the road, around Museum Hill. And then I decided to divert into one of the roads which is more quieter. I left the main one which the cars are using. So I'm using this particular road. I don't know the name of the road. Oh, Harithuku. Yeah, I can remember. Harithuku. So this road actually has got so many famous brands. I was able to see like KBC. There is also another one called, there's this a famous hotel called, which is ahead from here, called the Norfolk, Mount, the Norfolk, yeah. Ahead to the Nairobi University Towers. This is the biggest university in Nairobi. Then after the university, you will see the police station called Central Police Station. And then while I was here, I decided to use the flyover, which will get me into the city center very quickly. Yeah, that's what I'm doing at this point. So the video will end as soon as I'm done with this flyover. I'll be in the city center. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and tell me what you think about it. I will appreciate it so much. I am in the city center now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.